What's going on, you guys? This is MXKD. I have another Dell Optiplex 780. This is the mini tower. I'm going to be doing Disassembly Teardown. Show you how to do that. So you're going to remove the side cover panel. And you just probably need just a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so I'm going to start off from the power supply. You're going to remove the 4 screws in the back using the Phillips screwdriver. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to disconnect the power cable from the hard drive and this SATA disconnect, and same with the optical drive. You're going to disconnect the SATA power cable, and what you're going to do is you're going to remove the 24 pin right here. You're going to disconnect, and you're going to disconnect the 4 pin right here. The 4 pin will be right here in the corner. And there's a secure clip that you have to press on to release it. Same with the 24 pin. There's a secure clip you have to press on it to release. Now I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the SATA cable. Disconnect the memory. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to remove the power supply. To do that, there's a secure clip. I'm going to show you guys right here in the corner. So it comes right out. And if you got a Dell power supply installed, then you have to press on the secure clip right here with the screwdriver to slides it to the right here. You have to press on it. Now what I'm going to do is remove the video card, this little latch right here. And it's got a little blue clip right here, secure clip right here too. So what you're going to do is you're going to press it down. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the hard drive. So right here, hard drive caddy. I'm going to go ahead and remove the right here, the French shroud for the CPU heatsink, and it's got 1 screw right here, 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. Zoom out the camera. And you're gonna disconnect, here's the fan. So when you remove that, then here's the heat sink. Okay, now you're gonna do is you're gonna remove here's a 120 millimeter for the CPU fan right here. You have to disconnect right here. Internal speaker right there. Remove the SATA cable. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the processor. And it's got a clip right here. You press on like this, comes out. Now, I'm going to go ahead and remove the internal speaker here. There's the internal speaker I'm going to remove. And it's got a clip on the bottom right here that you take a finger right here. So it's right there. And it slides out like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the motherboard. So first I'm going to remove the PCI brackets here. So I'm going to go ahead and start off from the bottom, remove the screws here. Now I'm going to go ahead and you're just going to pull it, take it like this, and you lift it up. So motherboard is removed. Now I'm going to remove the CMOS battery here. Just like that. Now I have to remove the optical drive right here. It's a little clip you press on right here. And this slides out like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the fence rod right here, the plastic. And it's got a secure clip right here. So what you have to do is take the screwdriver, flathead, and there's another secure clip right here in the top. And this should slide. So what you're going to do is you're going to press on the clip right here like that on top. And there's another clip right here you have to press at the same time. Then it slides out. This is a 120 millimeter fan. So I'm going to move the front USB and audio and the power switch right here, and it's held by the one screw actually. And it'll be the last part. Let's see, I'm going to try this removed. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is a Disassembly teardown for the Dell Optiplex mini tower. Thanks for watching. Bye.